Language Parsers. In version 8.2 of Astera Centerprise, we have added the Language Parser functionality to the expression builder to enable advanced expressions such as interpolated string and verbatim. This will enable users to compile different values from incoming datasets into an expression and present it as output in an interpolated string. In this video, we will look at a use case and understand how the language parser works in Astera Centerprise. We will be using the fields in the employee data Excel sheet and interpolate the data into an employee info string. After string interpolation, we will create a new field to apply escape characters inside of an expression transformation through a verbatim string. First, let's retrieve the source data. In this case, the source data is of employees stored in an Excel file. We will extract it using the Excel file source object in Astera Centerprise. Next, let's get the expression transformation object to create string expressions. We'll map fields from the Excel source object onto the expression transformation object. To modify the properties, right-click on the expression transformation object and select Properties. This will open the layout builder where we can find the expression builder and define the expression for each field. Let's discuss how to create an interpolated string in expression transformation properties. The first step is to create a new field in the layout builder. Let's name it as employee info in this case. Since this field will only return an output, let's check the output box and set the data type as string. We will define the interpolated string expression for the new field in the expression editor. You can either write the expression in the field given or click on the ellipses in the left corner of the field to go to the expression editor. The interpolated string expression will be built in the expression box. It is important to note that an interpolated string starts with a $sign before the expression. The dollar notation denotes the parameters or the variables in the string which will be parsed dynamically during the preview and runtime for each record in the source file. Here, we will create an interpolated string using the employee ID, last name, first name, title, title of courtesy, hire date, and city fields from our source data. The interpolated string expression in this case will be written as During the preview as well as the flow runtime, the variables or the parameters enclosed in parentheses will take input from the source data and return the output for each record in the new field we created by the name employee info. Now, if we look at the output, you can see that a new field employee info has been created and the interpolated string output for each record has been returned in that field. So, this is how we can perform string interpolation in expression transformation. Next, let's discuss how to use a verbatim string with a line break in an expression transformation object. Create a new field in the layout builder for the verbatim string. In this case, let's name the new field as Office. Since this field will only give an output, we will check the output box and set the data type as string. We will define the verbatim string expression for that field in the expression field of the layout builder. You can either write the expression in the corresponding expression field or click on the ellipses in the left corner of the field to enter the expression builder. The verbatim string expression will be built in the expression box on the expression builder screen. It is important to note that the verbatim string only works with an @ before the expression and returns the value as it is throughout the output field. In this example, we want this output to be returned in the new office field that we created earlier. The output preview will show the verbatim string upon hovering over values in the verbatim field, or you can also export it to any destination to view the data. This concludes using the Language Parser functionality in Astera Centerprise. Thank you for watching this video.